Welcome students, in this video we are going to learn our lesson number 26. Lesson number 26 is interrogative sentences. It's time to learn English. Let's start. First of all, we will learn what is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It always ends with a question mark. For example, read these interrogative sentences. Would you like a glass of cold coffee? Where is the carton of milk? Let's see how to make the interrogative sentences. With the verb be, we begin the question with is, am, are, was or were followed by a noun or pronoun. Now let's see the table. This table, there are the sentences we have to change into interrogative sentences. For example, he is eating. Is he eating? I am eating. Am I eating? They are eating. Are they eating? She was eating. Was she eating? We were eating. Were we eating? Riya and Priya were eating. Were Riya and Priya eating? You are sincere. Are you sincere? We are late. Were we late? It was barking. Was it barking? With the verb have, has, have and had, we can make interrogative sentences in two ways. Has, have or had comes first, followed by the rest of the sentence. We use do at the beginning of an interrogative sentence in the simple present tense, followed by we, you, they or a plural noun. We use does at the beginning of an interrogative sentence in the simple present tense, followed by he, she, it or a singular noun. We use did at the beginning of an interrogative sentence in the simple past tense, followed by a noun or pronoun. Interrogative sentences in the simple present tense. We use do at the beginning of an interrogative sentence with I, you, we, they or a plural noun, along with the root or the base form of the verb. We use does at the beginning of an interrogative sentence with he, she, it or a singular noun, along with the root or the base form of the verb. We run fast. Do we run fast? Pooja runs fast. Does Pooja run fast? Interrogative sentences in the simple past tense. We use did, was or were at the beginning of an interrogative sentence with a singular or plural noun or pronoun along with the root or the base form of the verb in some cases. She ran fast. Did she run fast? I was hurt. Was I hurt? You were unwell. Were you unwell? Interrogative sentences in the simple future tense. We use shall or will at the beginning of an interrogative sentence with a singular or plural noun or pronoun along with the root or the base form of the verb. I shall run fast. Shall I run fast? They will run fast. Will they run fast? Interrogative sentences beginning with question words. Many interrogative sentences begin with question words such as who, whose, where, when, which, why, what and how. These words are used at the beginning of an interrogative sentence. They are usually followed by a verb be, do or have. For examples, read these interrogative sentences. Who is the new student in our class? With whose, which and what, the question word is sometimes followed by a noun and then the verb be, do or have. Which cartoon show do you like the most? What time is it by your watch? Interrogative sentences beginning with modals. Some interrogative sentences begin with modals such as can, could, will, shall, may or must. Such sentences always have the main verbs in the root or the base form. Read these interrogative sentences. Could you lend me your English notebook? Shall I help you? Question tags. Read this sentence. We have finished our work, haven't we? This sentence has two parts. The first part is a statement while the second part is a very short question. The question at the end is called a question tag. If the main part of a statement is positive, the question tag is usually negative. If the main part of the statement is negative, the question tag is usually positive. For example, read these sentences. Harish is a doctor, isn't he? Positive statement, negative question tag. They aren't here, are they? Negative statement, positive question tag.